Yo, what's good guys? So another one today. I'm with the voided Viking just here. And look where we are, guys. Look where we are. A big factory. I'm going to keep the torch off just because there is a security van over the road at a different business. Yeah, we're going to walk around and see what we can find. Coming into the first one, there's a safe here. This is my safe room. Okay, it is trashed in here, folks, but it's another one, as we always say on these explores. This place is massive though from the outside, isn't it?
It is.
So hopefully we'll come across some interesting stuff for you folks. I don't know if this is open or not, but we don't have to go in. We can just pop our camera through the window. Over there you've got the health and safety regulations. What you need to know. We will rejoin the Viking. I've got to watch where I'm walking. So I don't headbutt these. Oh God. How battered this is. I don't believe this place is going to be a bit of a maze, guys, because I don't know if it's going to go around in circles or not, but it's quite big from outside, so we'll see how it is when we walk around. But we are continuing through. We're going to go through this way and follow the Viking. Oh, what's that here? Sounds like I could hear something like on like sound. Oh wow. I mean, look at that. That is trashed. Look at that. And look in there. Where were you going? Absolutely trash place. Inside an abandoned factory. Oh wow, some graffiti here for all you graffiti lovers. Okay, good graffiti is it, for once. For once, not just like stupid tags. Look guys, so oh yeah, there's one here as well. So there is quite a few. The only issue is there, folks, right, literally every window is absolutely destroyed, which is a shame. Because every time I come in these places, people tend to smash all the windows for no reason. I don't get why. I mean, look, it's all here as well. It's all trashed, even in the distance over there. Really don't get why people want to trash the place, I really don't. But you can't help it because there's some idiots around. It looks like we're a bit of a greenhouse here. So the Viking just told me that this place used to be a welding firm. I'm not going to go into too much detail. I'm not going into too much detail about it all. But yeah, Viking said it used to be a welding firm. Just watching when I'm walking here and walking over everything.
Says it on the fire down there, the name of the business.
Okay, we're not going to show that, but we'll take Viking's word for it. Look at that corridor shot there. That's amazing.
You're better with me in it.
No, but there is another part that we missed. Have you seen it? Yeah, the back side.
You're thinking of going that way.
Yeah.
I don't know how to little bus stop.
Go through there, can't you? Yeah, guys, look again. Smashed windows. Terrible. All down here as well. I am expecting it will be a shell. Don't know if you can see that then, guys, it's a bit dark. Can you hear that buzzing out here? Is that the factory next to it, Fig? We're outside now, going to the other part. Designated smoking area. Also, folks, if you know where this is, please don't tell us where it is in the comments, because we're going to try and protect the place as much as possible, even though it is battered, as you can see. But anything else could be worse, like setting it on fire or anything. Some idiots will come and do that. Just a lonely chair. The lonely chair.
In the canteen area.
Canteen area.
I assume so.
Protective clothing must be worn. Wash your hands before commencing work. This is a food production area. So it was the canteen area, like Vikings just said. Some more graffiti.
Yeah, a couple of bits of shiny pieces.
A couple of shiny bits over here. Again, folks, I know some people do and don't like graffiti, but there's a couple there for you. And we're back this way into the canteen area, which would have been the kitchen area, this part.
Have you ate some of this shit on here?
No. Is it that bad?
What is people's problem with using these fucking words?
Oh yeah. I won't show that, guys, because there's racial slurs and stuff on there. But it is literally just a wall. I'll show you from behind, yeah. So like, it's this wall with like obviously your stupid graffiti tags on. Beep motherfucker. You've seen this? Beep. That's a shot where we just come in, guys.
And then we're back into the
The main hall. Back into the main hall. Get yourself under there. I mean, we can go check down that way if there's anything. This is the big hall, guys. The big area that we're in. These are toilets, according to this one.
Oh yeah.
The ladies. Oh no, maybe not. Someone's drew that on. It says toilets though, by the way. Oh wow, it's stripped like, but again, look at the mirror. Idiots, absolute idiots.
Idiots.
Hey, look, it's me. Hide in the mirror. you see me, Benny? You have to have a selfie in the mirror. Well, it's not really a selfie, is it? Because it's reflecting.
Exactly.
So
really
it's
fucking third person, man.
Yeah, exactly. We can see ourselves.
Exactly. You know, you'd be fucked if you're playing GoldenEye right now.
We can have a look around this other side. I don't think there's anything to see though. A few cubicles, a bit battered.
A bit battered.
Bit battered.
They've taken the fucking side off, mate.
Yeah, this one. That one down there is leaning down in the distance.
Fucking hell, they're like, shoot, man, I wanted to see you what's grabbing.
Now into the men's. I've been told it's even worse. Oh God. Can't wear the cubicles.
Fuck it, we don't want cubicles.
No, these have gone. Oh, we've got a door.
Hey!
Cubicle door, and yeah, the urinals have gone. That's a shame. I don't get why people do it though. Oh, I'm guessing it's probably kids, and it's just being idiots like always. But we don't know. So, on we go. If you need some first aid, this is where we go next.
Lovely.
Ooh. Oh God. That stuff you don't want to be breathing in. Because that stuff is bad for your chest. Really bad for your chest. So we will get out to this room. You got it? So what's next? Let's have a look. I'm guessing this is, oh no, I thought it was just corridor. Have a look at that one in a minute. This is more like a little boiler area. With nothing. Just a pipe on the roof. Yeah. We didn't check this one though, so let's have a look in this one. It's an empty room again with that stuff in.
Lovely.
Lovely. Right then. Down the bottom it is. And we've got some date codes. But the reason why I started recording was there's more graffiti for you people that like graffiti. Well, that looks quite cool. I like that one. It says there, parcel board rack. Oh, and then we've got another one over here that says bubble wrap station. But we are going to check inside these rooms here. This leads us through to this way. Which brings us to nothing. Just an empty room. So we'll take the next one. Which is this one. Ooh. Hello. Vikings to the right on me then. Oh, we have some stairs, which we will go and have a look at. See the stairs?
Yeah.
Go through here first. Oh, it's like a little weighbridge, I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm guessing that's a weighbridge, guys. There's a door, the other side. Yeah, max load. Definitely a weighbridge. This leads to more stairs. Gobble, okay. This leads to nothing. Just an empty room. Back here still. The weighbridge. Viking. not sure if he's gone up there or not, guys. Oh no, he's over here. Is there anything good upstairs? Nothing. Okay folks, so we're back here. So folks, that's the end of this one. I just wanted to just pop my head in here though first, which I believe is probably nothing. Yeah, it's just the empty room that we were in earlier. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed that, guys. Don't forget to check out the Voided Viking Explorer. He is somewhere behind me, over in the distance there. Now he's in front of me. Magic. But yeah, we will definitely see in the next one. And don't forget to check out all them social medias come up on the screen. And we'll see you soon. Peace.